what's it called?
Velocity. It's like a shopping mall.
Yeah.
Another shopping mall.
Another shopping mall. We didn't really know what to do today, so we've decided to go and shop.
Yeah. We're gonna maybe get some more clothes and stuff because I'm a little bit sick of wearing the same 3 shirts.
They definitely need shirts.
Yeah, and might get some food. Oh, what is it?
It's an egg.
But what kind of egg?
Soft-boiled egg.
It's a half-boiled egg. Half-boiled egg. Put it on the table. Making an egg. So you whisk this bad boy up. You add some, I think it's salt and pepper and soy sauce. And then you dip this delicious bread, which is got butter and kaya. And then you dip it in the egg and it is delicious.
I got, what did I get? I got
delicious curry with rice. Nasi lemak. Okay, here we go. Smells like egg fart. I think that's just the egg.
Oh my gosh. I can't watch.
The crispiness of the peanuts and the anchovy, the sambal, and then the softness of the egg.
It's too good.
With the delicious spices in the curry. It's the perfect dish. Shout out
I
to
think
Wiensy.
you win.
We actually really like Wiensy. You should check out his channel.
Yeah.
He does really, really good food reviews and he's like always traveling. It's so good.
Great job, Bub. So we're going to finish this food and do something else. Good morning, guys. So today we thought that we would do a fashion video. Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I love fashion. So we went to Runway shopping centre or mall.
Velocity.
Runway Velocity Mall, and we didn't really know what we wanted to do, but we knew that we wanted to get a few things for our Christmas presents. We both needed a few new things, and we decided to get some stuff. So we'll show you what we have, and then we'll try it on for you as well.
Having come and feel like us. All my friends are out drinking us.
I don't just have like too many black shirts, so I thought I'd just get like a basic white tee.
Okay, so I got something very quickly. I got something from H&M, which is the most likely place ever for me to shop. This one, it's a cute little swimmer top. It looks really cute. And I got a bottom bikini to match. This is the bikini that matches it. Super duper cute. So that. So cute. And then this one, I thought I was being a bit brave in trying on, but I actually really love it. So it's just a black bikini, a black swimsuit. And then this one, I don't know if I can try this on. It's the last thing that I got, it's a cute little one. And I also got a shirt. Very cool. These are just a few things that we can't try on, but I'll show you anyway.
A Christmas haul.
Yeah, just a new cable.
Yeah.
For phones. We got some flossing. And then I got some new earphones. Yay! Because whenever I'm editing, the earphones that we have are really bad. So I got some new earphones. I kind of want to open them now. Oh my gosh. So we'll try our clothes on now.
Thanks for watching our model show.
Thanks.
We're sending it off to Victoria's Secret to become models there.
That's right. Watch it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and
Love, live, explore.
love, live, explore.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
That's everything. Goodbye.